Hey everybody, welcome back. This is our East Coast. I wonder if you missed us.
Yeah, maybe.
I hope.
I hope. We
A
did
few
get
people
a few
send messages.
nice messages, right, from people asking where we've been. And we have, well, mostly Eli has been very busy with work. As many of you know who watch our channel, a couple months ago he was away for like 3 months.
Yes.
Shooting on the film. Now we can announce that it was Old by M. Night Shyamalan. And in the last couple months, he's been doing a lot of editing for that movie. So he has been very busy, which means we haven't been camping.
Yeah, so I hope that now it's making sense why I was gone for a few months back last fall, right?
Yeah.
And why we had to stop making videos now. We couldn't talk about it because we have been under a very, very heavy NDA. But now the movie's out.
People probably don't even know what that means.
Non-disclosure agreement. So we were not allowed to talk about the movie. And now comes the neighbor to mow the grass in the front. We might have to move to the back of the house. Let's do that. All right, back in business.
All right, so if you haven't seen Old, go watch it. I thought it was good. And some of Eli's work we'll put in the description so you can see what he was doing all this time.
But we are back. RV East Coast is back. We have a new episode next weekend. We also have a new campground review that we already shot, but we haven't been able to put it together.
Right.
But that was a lot of fun.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun. And we are really excited because we are headed to Myrtle Beach before long for 2 different campgrounds that we're visiting, Carolina Pines and Ocean Lakes.
Yeah.
So we are so excited about that because we haven't been to the beach yet. And we need to get there.
And we can't wait to just be in the road. We actually enjoy very much making these videos for you guys and bringing you in our little adventure. So thank you for waiting for us. Thank you very much to those that always, when we stop posting videos, take the time to send us a little note and wonder if we are okay.
Yeah.
We are okay.
We are okay. We're great, actually. In the grand scheme of things, we're doing really, really well.
Yeah.
We just haven't camped as much as we would like.
It has been a good time for our family. This has been a good year, besides all the crazy pandemic and everything. But we just wanted to give you a little update. We see you next weekend with the new episode. We love you guys. Thank you for tagging along.
Bye.
See you later.